Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Broke, where we go over cryptocurrencies, investment strategies, economic advice, and a range of topics. Now, while we do go over financial things, I am not a financial advisor. Please consult your financial advisor before investing. And if you are invested in if you are looking to invest in cryptocurrency, use the links below, support the channel, sign up. We have crypto.com, we have Coinbase, and we have Kucoin. So that is what we're going to be looking at tonight. So here is Kucoin. So find the next gem on Kucoin. So we went through Coinbase, very, very basic. When you look at crypto.com, a little more advanced, but even though they are exchanges, not really trading platforms. So we're just going to do a general overview of Kucoin. This is what I actually use to trade. So if you look here, guys, find the next crypto gem on Kucoin. 1 out of 4 crypto holders worldwide is with Kucoin. Safe and rapid Bitcoin purchases, multi-orders, and an abundant methods for earning that help you preserve and increase wealth. They are the #1 exchange. That is right, top one, #1 exchange in globalization deployment. So ultimately, guys, this, if you look here up at the markets, we have buy crypto. You can use credit, debit, P2P, or fast buy. This I do not recommend. It is very, very expensive if you're going to use coin in here. What I actually do is load it up to crypto.com. Then I transfer the coin over here for a small fee. The fee that you actually incur in Kucoin is quite a bit more expensive than transferring the currency from another wallet, such as crypto.com, or even looking at a little bit higher fee, Coinbase. Looking at trade, so you can spot trade, you can margin trade, which I only recommend to very, very savvy investors or people who have been investing in cryptocurrency, because this can be very expensive, 10 times your leverage. API, upgrade of an API key, you can actually go in there with API, and then trading bots. So you can actually build trading bots on Kucoin, which is very, very cool. So if you're new to investing, especially if you just have a little bit to invest, you can go ahead, you can test out the bots. That's what I've done. Check them out a little bit. You cannot get into them on some, like on my phone, it works. On here, the trading bots do not want to work on the actual computer. Through the app on the phone, Kucoin, it works just fine, but it's something with the integration that they're still working on. And here they do have ETFs, so you can look at futures. You can look at Future Lite, Future Pro, Future Brawls, which is unique to Kucoin, leverage tokens. So again, guys, Kucoin is really the epicenter for investing as I know it. Once I got introduced here, big thing with this is another big one. So is Binance. So Binance is one that you cannot use right now in the US. They do have a Binance US, but it's pretty limited to what you can do in addition to what Binance itself does. They do have finance. So if you're looking at financing, you can lend or you can borrow crypto, which is very cool. So they do have their own tools. USDT profits of 12% to 300% annually. That is right, guys, 12 to 300% if you're looking to lend out some money or if you're looking to borrow there as well. They do have the earn function similar to crypto.com, the earn function in here for a bunch of different coins. And this KCS is their own coin. So that is the Kucoin. Ultimately, if you hold the Kucoin, similar to having the coin on crypto.com, the CRO token, only thing here is if you hold it, so if you have it, you get rewarded, where in the CRO, you actually do have to put it in the earn function. You can't just hold it in the wallet to get a return. If you hold it in the wallet, you'll just get nothing. Here, they give you something for holding their token, which is awesome. And we'll look at that again in a little bit. The referral link is actually right down below this video, so check it out. And then there is more. So spotlights, promotions, news and announcements, support, and of course the blog. I like this because not only is it a trading platform similar to like a Coinbase, but ultimately you do get the education piece from Coinbase as well. So it's kind of all in all a very solid system when you get into it. So let's go ahead and look at the trade function. This is what I really focus on. And guys, when you look at Coinbase, when you look at crypto.com, this is what it actually looks like, which is very, very cool. So up here, you can actually search your tokens. So whatever you're looking for, you can actually search in here. Tells you the price, the highs, the lows, the amount, and then the volume. So the trading volume they have. I have a bunch of different coins up top that we're following, including 1inch, ADA, BNB, Waves, CKS, ALGO. And then this actually is the chart, guys. So if you're used to a Coinbase, if you're used to crypto.com, you don't see a lot of this information, especially not to this depth. This is incredibly complex with what you can do, but this again is a trading platform where I feel a lot of the other ones are not a trading platform overall. So even here you can look, we have 1 minute of trading up to a day and a week of trading. So ultimately I can break it down minute by minute, exactly if the greens are going up, the reds are going down, just like you see. This is ultimately the trading of Bitcoin to USDT. Those are the coins that do work together. There's a bunch of different ones. I usually trade in USDT. A lot of other traders do trade in BTC, trade in Bitcoin itself. But ultimately, that is the pairs that they have. And this is what you see. So I usually stay on a 4-hour window. So this is what it looks like. You can even scroll back and see. Boom. These are what they look like, guys. So this is what the coin has done. You can see the rises, the dips, the falls. So ultimately coming all the way down to where the coin is today. If it's up, if it's down, shows you the order book, shows you the buys and the sells, and shows you the recent trade that is going on right now. The really place that, short of watching the market in here, this is where you do your limits, you do your markets, you do your stops. This is where you kind of do everything, including margins and futures, are all down in this little tab. So it makes it super, super user friendly. So if I wanted to buy something, I can put in the price I want to buy it. I can go ahead and put in the amount that I want to buy, and it will let me purchase whatever crypto that I have here, whatever crypto we're looking at right now. So very, very cool. In addition, guys, when you look at crypto videos, when you're looking at trading crypto, there's a lot of stuff that goes into it, especially when it comes to right here, indicators, guys. Look at the amount of indicators that you can turn on, that you can turn off, depending what you're looking for, depending how you're utilizing it. This is all when you're actually trading crypto. It's not buying and holding. This is more of the trading. So it is a lot more volatile. You're kind of watching the prices go up. You're kind of watching the prices go down. But this is an actual exchange where you can deal in cryptocurrencies and actually buy and sell them as the market goes up and down. So really playing the game where here, I mean, if I bought right here, if I bought Bitcoin here and then boom. So if you look here in the top right here at the low, so the low here was 46. The low here was 48, but the high was 52. So if I bought here at 46 and then sold here at 52, depending how much Bitcoin you bought, that's a big chunk of cash that you could get out of there. Big chunk of currency if you were taking those out of Bitcoin. So ultimately, guys, this is only one very, very small part of Kucoin. Like I said, this is the point that I love. A couple other things that I did want to look at is, of course, if you're looking at lending and also the earn function. So the crypto lend, this is the coins that you could lend. It shows you approximately what the daily interest rate, 0.074. But look at annualized, guys. You're talking about a 28% return right now to lend out your USDT. So when you look at banks, they offer about a 0.05, 0.5%, maybe a 0.5% annualized rate of return on different products. If you look at even a lot of rates with savings accounts, usually it's 0.01. So you earn, 0.1%, which is absolutely next to nothing. If I could come here and earn 20, 25, 30% annualized rate of return, that is absolutely incredible for me, especially if you're looking to get a return or you're keeping it in here for a longer term. And you can borrow. So if you do want to borrow money in here as well, that is an option too. Other thing I wanted to look at was, of course, the Kucoin bonus. So right now I have 14 of their Kucoins, the KCS, and look at the bonuses, guys. So literally right here, 0.1 USD. So it shows you what you're getting. Here is 9 cents, another 9 cents. This is just having the coin, period. One of the big benefits from having this Kucoin is if you do exchanges, there are fees to exchange, just like we've seen with Coinbase, what we've seen with crypto.com. So ultimately, if you use your KCS coins as exchange, they have a reduced rate. They have actually a 20% reduced rate. So holding on to some of these coins is super beneficial, especially if you are trading cryptocurrencies on Kucoin, because it makes everything you do cheaper. So instead of paying a 0.1%, you pay a 0.08%. So it's very, very beneficial to have these Kucoins, which again, guys, this is just a really, really general overview because Kucoin has an insane amount of stuff to offer when you're in here. And I'm not even going to get into the X pools and all of the other things that they offer within Kucoin. So guys, again, the link below, go ahead and sign up for Kucoin. You can check it out, see all that it offers. We're going to go in depth through the next couple of videos going through Kucoin, seeing some of the things you can do, including the X pool. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. And as always, thank you guys for watching.